Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting video for you. We'll be diving into the world of foot massagers to help you find the best foot massager of 2024. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The DEDAKJDMF01 Remote Control Electric Foot Massager Machine is a multifunctional device that provides a variety of massage techniques, including air compression, deep vibration, and heat compress. It is suitable for foot sizes 36 to 45 and is operated by a remote control. The air compression massage feature helps to improve circulation and reduce swelling. The deep vibration massage feature helps to relieve muscle pain and tension. The heat compress feature helps to promote relaxation and healing. The DMF01 foot massager is also equipped with a variety of other features, such as 3 intensity levels, 3 massage modes, 15-minute auto off timer, removable and washable cloth cover. The DMF01 is a popular choice for people who are looking for a comprehensive and effective foot massage experience. It is also relatively affordable and easy to use. Here are some of the benefits of using the DEDAKJDMF01 Remote Control Electric Foot Massager Machine. Relieves muscle pain and tension, improves circulation, reduces swelling, promotes relaxation and healing, reduces stress, improves sleep quality. If you are looking for a foot massager that can provide a variety of benefits. Number 4. A foot massager machine with heat and remote, deep kneading, 9 intensities, 5 modes, and vibration is a great way to relax and soothe your feet after a long day. It can help to improve blood circulation, reduce muscle tension, and relieve pain and discomfort. Here are some of the benefits of using a foot massager machine with heat and remote. Heat therapy can help to relax muscles, increase blood flow, and reduce pain and inflammation. Deep kneading massage can help to loosen tight muscles, improve circulation, and relieve pain and discomfort. Vibration massage can help to stimulate muscles, improve circulation, and relieve pain and tension. Remote control. A remote control allows you to easily adjust the intensity and mode of the massage to your liking. Multiple modes. Different modes allow you to customize the massage to your specific needs. If you are looking for a foot massager machine that can provide you with a deep and relaxing massage, then a foot massager machine with heat and remote, deep kneading, 9 intensities, 5 modes, and vibration is a great option. Here are some of the things to consider when choosing a foot massager machine. Size. Make sure to choose a foot massager machine that is the right size for your feet. Some machines are designed for smaller feet, while others can accommodate larger feet. Features. Consider the features that are important to you. Do you want a machine with heat, vibration, multiple modes, a remote control? Price. Foot massager machines can range in price from around $50 to $300. Choose a machine that fits your budget and needs. Once you have chosen a foot massager machine, be sure to read the instructions carefully before using it. This will help you. Number 3. The newer Kneading Air Compression Electric Foot Massager Infrared with Heating and Therapy Anti-Stress Healthcare Gift Family is a high-end foot massager that offers a variety of features to relieve pain, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. Features. 9 levels of air compression, intensity, vibration, massage, infrared, constant temperature, hot compress, 40 to 45 degrees centigrade, 6D somatosensory airbags for 360 degrees coverage, detachable and washable foot covers. Benefits. Relieves pain and tension in the feet and legs, improves blood circulation, promotes relaxation, and reduces stress, helps to reduce swelling and inflammation, can help to improve sleep quality. The newer Kneading Air Compression Electric Foot Massager is a great option for people who suffer from foot pain, poor circulation, or stress. It is also a good choice for people who are simply looking for a way to relax and pamper themselves. How to use. Place your feet in the foot covers and adjust the fit. Select the desired massage intensity and mode. Sit back and relax. The massager can be used for up to 30 minutes at a time. It is recommended that you start with a lower intensity setting and gradually increase it as needed. Safety precautions. Do not use the massager if you have any medical conditions, such as diabetes, neuropathy, or circulation problems. Do not use the massager if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use the massager if you have any open wounds or sores on your feet. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop using the massager immediately. Overall, the newer needing air compression electric foot massager. Number 2. A hot compression electric foot massager is a device that uses heat, compression, and shiatsu massage to relieve pain and tension in the feet. The heat helps to relax the muscles and improve circulation, while the compression and shiatsu massage help to loosen knots and relieve tension. Here are some of the benefits of using a hot compression electric foot massager. Pain relief. Foot massagers can be effective in relieving pain from a variety of conditions, including plantar fasciitis, heel pain, and arthritis. Muscle relaxation. Foot massagers can help to relax the muscles in the feet and calves, which can improve circulation and reduce fatigue. Improved circulation. Foot massagers can help to improve circulation in the feet, which can help to reduce swelling and inflammation. Stress relief. Foot massages can be very relaxing and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Hot compression electric foot massagers are easy to use. Simply place your feet in the device and turn it on. You can adjust the heat and intensity of the massage to your liking. Most foot massagers have a timer, so you can set it to run for a specific amount of time. Here are some tips for using a hot compression electric foot massager. Start with a low heat setting and gradually increase the heat as tolerated. If you have any skin conditions, such as neuropathy or diabetes, be sure to talk to your doctor before using a foot massager. Do not use a foot massager if you have any open wounds or sores. Drink plenty of water after using a foot massager to help flush out any toxins. Number 1. Half-wrapped foot massage air pressure. Hot red light physical therapy is a type of massage therapy that uses a combination of air pressure, heat, and red light therapy to massage the feet. The massager is typically worn like a boot and wraps around the foot and ankle. It uses air pockets to inflate and deflate to create a squeezing motion that massages the foot. The massager may also have heating pads and red light therapy lights to help relieve pain and inflammation. Half-wrapped foot massage air pressure. Hot red light physical therapy is often used to treat a variety of foot conditions, including plantar fasciitis, heel spurs, Achilles tendonitis, arthritis, edema, neuropathy, poor circulation, tired, sore feet. The benefits of half-wrapped foot massage air pressure. Hot red light physical therapy may include relieved pain and inflammation, improved circulation, reduced muscle tension, increased range of motion, reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep quality. If you are considering using half-wrapped foot massage air pressure, hot red light physical therapy, it is important to talk to your doctor first. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions, such as diabetes or heart disease. To use a half-wrapped foot massage air pressure hot red light physical therapy massager, simply follow the instructions that come with the massager. Typically, you will put on the massager and sit down in a comfortable chair. You can then select the desired settings for massage intensity, heat, and red light therapy. The massager will then run for the selected amount of time. Most people find that using a half-wrapped foot massage air pressure hot red light physical therapy massager for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, 2 to 3 times per week, is beneficial. However, you can adjust the frequency and duration of use to fit